To beat this heat, I told you the tremendous technique which naturally cool your body and fight against this tremendous heat. This technique also reduces your acidity and also reduces your tension, fresh you, and this technique is called pranayam. I show you two pranayam, Sheetali and Sheetkari Pranayama. This pranayam reduces the heat and cool your body naturally. How do this? See carefully. First, Sheetali Pranayam. Taking air inside by our mouth and leave from the nose. Leave from the nose. Second pranayam which is called Sheetkari Pranayam. Sheetkari. How do this? Same technique, taking air from the mouth and leave from our nose. Do as your capacity. If you have the low BP problem, serious heart problem, serious cough problem, not do this. So share to the maximum your friend, relative, so they also fight naturally against this heat. Share. Thanks.